You may have noticed that for certain things we use the phrase how much, and for other things we use how many. So for example, if I said, how many biscuits do you have here? And you counted them and there's 3, you would say, how many biscuits are there? Not how much. And if I said, how much water is in that bowl? You would measure the amount of water in the bowl. You wouldn't count anything because it's not something you can count. So how much water is in that bowl? That's how much. How many biscuits have you got? That's how many. So certain things, the things that you count, they exist in whole numbers only. So how many biscuits have you got there? 1, 2, 3. So some things we count and other things we measure. So I've got a scale here just to show something that we measure. The thing about things that we measure is they don't have to exist in whole numbers only. So if I said how much water is in that bowl and you measured it, it could come to 5 milliliters, 10 milliliters, 5.5. It could come up as any number on the scale really. So those are the 2 different ways of categorizing this. Things that you count and things that you measure. The things that you count, you say how many, and the things that you measure, you say how much. In maths, the things that we count are called discrete variables or discrete data, and the things that you measure, the ones that you say how much, so the ones that we measure, these are called continuous variables because it's continuous across the scale. It could be any one of these. So continuous data, that's things that we measure, and discrete data, those are the things that we count.